Kumar here, and I will be teaching you aptitude and reasoning, that is friends mental ability for your exams. Friends, in my today's session I am going to discuss lot of short tricks friends, and that short tricks will be related to the topic average. So friends, yesterday we had average part 1, and friends in the today's session I will teach you average part 2, and friends here also you are going to see lot of tricks. Okay, so friends, before starting with the session I just wanted to tell you friends, so how to prepare for the case and the other Karnataka government PSC exams. So friends, Unacademy Plus platform is giving an opportunity for all the students to prepare for the case and the other Karnataka government PSC exams. Okay. Now friends, all the educators teaching on the Unacademy platform are the top educators. So friends, whichever educators are teaching on the Academy platform, all the educators are highly qualified, highly experienced for the Karnataka PSC exams friends. So friends, here is the list of all your top educators for KPSC exams. So friends, Santosh Hiramat sir, Sridhar Biradar sir. So friends, all the educators teaching on the Unacademy are the top educators. So friends, we will again talk about like what is there in plus, what are the charges and all those things friends. We will be discussing about that, but before that friends, let us start with the session, and these things also I will be talking at the end of the class. Friends, my name is Pratik Kumar. I have worked as central government employee. I have worked with ISRO team for the student satellite project. I have worked in many MNCs friends like Tata, Motorola and Nokia Networks. I have done my graduation and BE from MSRIT Bangalore. I have more than 9 years of experience friends in the teaching UPSC and KPSC exams, and I have got the best aptitude trainer award by the Namma Kpsc Academy. And friends, I have conducted bank, UPSC and KPSC awareness program in many of the Bangalore reputed college. Friends, this is my class timing. My plus class timing is morning 8:30 to 9:30 am and evening 8 to 9 pm. And friends, YouTube session Monday, Wednesday and Friday 10:30 pm in the night. And friends, Saturday and Sunday 9:30 am, 5 pm and 8 pm. And friends, special classes for this month I have already finished, so you won't be able to get the classes. Okay, now friends, this is average part 2, and friends, in the average part 1 I have told you average will be equal to sum divided by number, and average of continuous number will be equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. Suppose if we have to calculate average of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then average will be first number plus last number divided by 2, so it will be nothing but 6 by 2 will be equal to 3. And average of the number with same difference friends, first number plus last number divided by 2. First number is 3, last number is 11 divided by 2, so 14 by 2 will be equal to 7. Okay, so friends, this is the very basic part of average which we have already discussed. And friends, before calculating average, arrange the number in the ascending order. Now friends, so you can see the question number 1 is a question asked in the KS exam 2017, and let's see friends, how are you going to solve this. This question is very important friends. So what has been asked, how average is going to be used in this problem, that we will see. So friends, study the following graph carefully and answer the question given below. Export and import data of a country has been given. Export in crores and import in crores. Okay, so 13, 14, 15 and 16, and 13, 14, 15 and 16. This is nothing but friends your import, and this is nothing but friends your export, right? Okay, now what is the question friends? So the question is, now friends, what is the question? So the question is, what was the approximate difference? So what was the approximate difference between the average import and average export over the given year between 13 to 16? Okay, so friends, what they're asking, average import, so average import and average export, so what is the difference that you have to calculate, okay. Now friends, average import, so average import means friends, what you have to do, you have to add everything. Average will be nothing but friends, sum divided by number. Average will be nothing but friends, sum divided by number. So calculate sum of all these numbers. So friends, here the data is there. So here the data is there, 7613 plus 9715 plus 11022. This is friends export. This is export data plus 12,000. Okay, and this friends 12,000 divided by 4. So this is what your average export, and what will be average import. So add everything. So friends, add everything, 8214 plus 8,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000 and plus 13,584, and friends this you have to divide by 4. So friends, average will be sum by number. So here friends, average import, so you have to add everything, divide by 4, and then you have to subtract, add everything and divide by 4, and then friends, if you solve, you will be getting 360 crores. Okay, so friends, the questions are very simple. There is only one formula. Average will be equal to sum divided by number. So you have to add all those imports and divide by 4, and you have to add all those exports and divide by 4. Whatever comes, you just have to subtract it. Okay, now friends, we have the question number 2. So friends, this question number 2, using the sort tricks, we are going to solve it. And friends, using the sort tricks, we will be able to solve the questions very easily. Now friends, the average of 7 consecutive odd number is 31. The second largest number is, okay. Now friends, if I tell you, so if I tell you few numbers, friend, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So friends, what will be the average? So average will be nothing but the middle number. Average will be nothing but friends, the middle number. If you want, you can calculate average of the numbers with same difference. Average of the number with same difference will be first number plus last number divided by 2. So 10 by 2 will be nothing but 5. So average of this number will be nothing but 5. So friends, you can see that is nothing but the middle number. Now the average of 7 consecutive odd number is 31. So friends, 7 consecutive odd number, average is 31. That means friends, see, average will be always the middle number. Okay, so friends, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you have 5 numbers, then average is nothing but the middle one. So friends, when you have 7 number, then the average will be nothing but your middle one. So 3 number will be this side and 3 number will be this side, and then the middle value will be your average. So this will be 33 and this will be 35 and this will be 37, because they are telling consecutive odd number. Consecutive odd number means friends, there will be a difference of, consecutive odd number means friends, there will be a difference of what? 2. So you can see 2, 2, 2. And this side friends, it will be 29, 27 and 25. And this side it will be 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35 and 37. Now friends, they are asking the second largest number. So the largest number is 37 and the second largest number will be nothing but friends 35. So 35, option C will become the correct answer for the question number 2. Now question number 3. So friends, question number 3 is again a very good question from the average, and friends, this kind of questions will be asked in your exam. The ratio of two positive numbers. The ratio of two positive number is 3:5. So friends, suppose the first positive number is 3x and the second positive number is 5x. Okay, try to understand this question friends. So the ratio of two positive numbers is 3:5. So if any data is given in terms of ratio, and if you want to write it in terms of value, just multiply with a variable. So the ratio of two positive number is 3:5. So first number will become 3x and the second number will become 5x. Now the average of the number is 48. So friends, average of this number. So average will become what friends? Average will become first number plus second number divided by 2. So average is given what friends? 48. Now friends, you see, so 3 plus 5 will be 8x divided by 2 is equals to 48. So 2 4 times and 4 will divide this by 12 times. So x will become equal to 12 friends. Now what they're asking? What is the difference between the numbers? So friends, difference between the numbers will be 5x minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x will be 2x and the value of x is 12. So 2 into 12, it will be nothing but 24. 2 into 12 will be nothing but 24, and option C will be the correct answer. Friends, very simple question. The ratio of two positive numbers is 3:5. Okay. Now friends, the average is 48. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. 4 is equals to 48. So 1 will become equal to 12. I am telling you the short tricks friends. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. Average will be 4. So 4 is equals to 48. So 1 will be equal to 12. They are asking what is the difference between the numbers. So the difference between the numbers is 5 minus 3, it is 2. So 1 is 12, so 2 will be 24. So friends, if you use the short tricks, then you will be able to solve this question just in 3 lines. And if you use the normal method friends, then you have to do all those things. So friends, it depends upon you. First learn the basics and then friends use the short tricks. Now friends, so this is a very good question friends. So in first 10 overs of a cricket match, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach target of 282 runs? So friends, many times in the cricket match, you see, suppose Australia has given a target. Suppose Australia has given a target of 280 runs to India. Now friends, India in first 10 hours, friends, are able to make a average run rate of right, make a run rate of average run rate of 3.2. So friends, in the remaining 40 overs, what will be the required run rate? Okay, so this kind of problems, friends, this kind of things you would have already seen in the matches. Okay, now it is very simple, friends. In the first 10 hours of a cricket match, the run rate was only 3.2. So friends, as we know, average is equals to sum divided by number. So average was only, friends, 3.2. okay, so what was the total run that we will calculate, and the 10 overs, so divided by 10. Now friends, sum will be equal to 10 into 3.2. that means the first 10 over India has scored only, 32 runs. Okay, now in 40 overs, how much run India has to score? So 282 minus 32. So friends, in the 40 overs, India has to score 250 run. Okay, now so average will be what, friends? Average will be nothing but sum divided by number. Okay, so friends, here average will become, so total number of runs India has to score is 250 and divided by 40. So friends, you will see this will go off, and 4 6 are 24 and 0.25. So friends, the required run rate for India to achieve the target set by Australia will be nothing but 6.25. And friends, this was a very interesting question, because friends, whenever you watch cricket match, this kind of things you see. So first 10 over, the run rate of the India will be 3.2. So India has to score 250. So the run rate, you will be seeing the run rates will start becoming high. Okay, so friends, this you would have seen in the cricket match. Okay, now moving towards the question number 5, friends. So what is your question number 5 and how we are going to solve it? Okay, now friends, the average temperature for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday was 48. Now friends, as we know, average will be equal to sum divided by number. Friends, as we know, average will be equal to sum divided by number. Okay, now so friends, average temperature, so average is given 48. Average temperature is given 48. Okay, for which all day, friends? Monday. So the temperature on Monday, the temperature on Tuesday, and the temperature on Wednesday, and the temperature on Tuesday. So total temperature, friends, average is given 48. So average will be sum and divided by number. So 4 days, so divided by 4. Now friends, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, the total temperature will be 48 into 4, which is nothing but 192. Okay, now friends, if the temperature on Monday was 42 degree, so Monday temperature was 42, so 42 plus Tuesday temperature plus Wednesday plus Thursday temperature is equal to 192. So friends, the temperature on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will become 192 minus 42. So this will be nothing but 150. Okay, now friends, what they are asking, so the average temperature for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday was 48 degree, and for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the average temperature was what, friends? The average temperature was, friends, 46 degree. Okay, now friends, you see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the temperature will be 46 into 4. 4 into 6 is 24 and 4 into 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Now friends, you see Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday temperature already we know 150. So Friday temperature will become equal to 184 minus 150, and this will be nothing but, friends, 34 degree. So friends, all these questions are very easy. Only one formula you have to keep that in mind. Average will be equal to sum divided by number, and then friends, you will be able to solve any complicated question asked in your exam. So friends, either you write for Kpsc, KS, any exam, friends, PSI, FDA, SDA, all the exams, friends, the concept remains same. So friends, I will suggest you to please watch the average part 1 video also, so that you will be able to understand average completely. Now friends, question number 6. So friends, question number 6 is really a very difficult problem. So friends, question number 6 is really a very difficult problem, but friends, we are going to make it very easy for you. It's a really very difficult problem, but friends, we are really going to make it very easy for you. Now friends, how? So using the short tricks, friends, using the short tricks I am going to teach you, and friends, we will definitely make the question very easy. A batsman in his 16th innings makes a score of 75 runs and thereby average increases by 2. What is the average after 16th innings? Now friends, you see, so in the 16th inning, the batsman is making a score of 75. Okay, now, so friends, in the 16th inning, the batsman is making a score of making a score of 75 and thereby average increases by 2. So average increasing by 2, so 16 into 2 will be nothing but 32. Just subtract it, friends. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. They are asking what is the average after 16th innings. So average after 16th innings will be increased by 2. So 43 plus 2 will be nothing but 45. And friends, not even 30 seconds will be required to solve this problem. But friends, if you are going to solve this by normal method, then trust me friends, this is going to be very much complicated. Once again friends, I will explain you. So friends, a batsman is scoring 75 runs in the 16th inning. So 75 runs, you write it here. And friends, a batsman is scoring 75 runs and because of that his average is increasing by 2 in 16th innings. So 16 into 2 will be nothing but 32. Now subtract it friends, so 3, 4 and they are asking average after 16th innings, so it will increase by 2. So 43 plus 2 will be nothing but 45. Okay, and option 2 will become the correct answer. Now friends, question number 7. So question number 7 is also a similar type of question. A batsman makes a score of 87 run in the 17th innings and thus increases his average by 3. Find his average after 17th inning. Okay, now, so friends, you see a batsman is scoring what run? 87 run. 87 run in the 17th innings and thereby increases his average by 3. So 17 into 3 will be nothing but equal to 51. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. They are asking find his average after 17th innings. So 36 plus 2 will be nothing but 38. And friends, in the easiest possible way, you will be able to solve the questions of average. Okay. Now friends, coming back to the beginning, friends, where I was explaining you why you should join Unacademy Plus. So friends, if you want to prepare yourself for the KS and the other government PSC exams, Unacademy Plus is the best platform where you will be getting your preparation in a very good way. Okay, friends, all the educators are very high quality educator friends, you can say high experience friends for the Karnataka PSC exams. And friends, all the top educators you see, Santosh sir, Sridhar sir, Malappa sir, Priyanka ma'am, Rita ma'am, Nandeswar sir, so Ganga ma'am. So friends, all the educators are very high qualified, high experienced educators. Friends, the topics which we are covering on Unacademy Plus is current affairs. I'm sorry friends. So current affairs, Karnataka specific topics, geography, polity, history, economics, ecology, science and tech, reasoning, essay writing, aptitude and agriculture and natural sciences. Now friends, you can access your favorite educator plus class from the Unacademy Learners app. So friends, you just have to download the Unacademy Learners app, and friends, after that what you have to do, you have to start watching the sessions of your favorite educator. Friends, at certain point of time, if due to some emergency, if you miss the classes friends, the video will be recorded and you will be able to watch that videos anytime, anywhere on the Plus platform. Friends, why Plus? Why you should prefer Plus over the institutes, friends? So friends, get notes from the educator. So friends, a the well framed notes you will be getting from the educator. Lot of quizzes will be there, so that friends, you will be able to measure your knowledge, like what is the depth of knowledge you have. So friends, quizzes will help you in measuring yourself. Doubt clearing session. So friends, suppose in any session, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask whenever the doubt clearing session will be there, friends, you can ask all your doubts with the educator. Practice session will be there, so a lot of practice questions will be given to you friends, and then you will have to solve it. And test series, and definitely friends, test series will be there. So friends, all this you will be only getting on the Plus classes, Plus courses, not anywhere else. Okay, now friends, what about the price? So the price is 45,000 minimum? No. Friends, the price is 50,000 for Kpsc exams? No. The price is, friends, only 7,000. Only 7,000 for 1 year. Friends, for 1 year, your price is 7,000 rupees. And friends, if you will calculate in the terms of month, you just have to pay friends 583 rupees per month. Okay, and friends, if you talk about the rupees, then friends somewhat near to 18 rupees you have to pay per day. Friends, if you will have a tea per day, if you will have a tea friends, the tea will be, so 2 tea will cost you 20 rupees. And friends, Unacademy KPSC courses is charging you only 18 rupees per day. Friends, here also if you want discount, then you use my code Pratik Live. So friends, if you use my code Pratik Live, you will be getting instant 10% discount. So friends, for 12 months you have to pay 7,000 rupees. But if you are using my code Pratik Live, then friends, you will be getting 10% discount. And 10% discount means friends, only 6,300 rupees you have to pay. So friends, per month it will be around 525 rupees, and for one day friends it will be around 17.5 rupees. Friends, this is, the educations are really available at a very cheap rate, friends. So at a very cheap price, top educators and the top platform is available for you, friends. Do not miss this opportunity and become a KPSC officer, friends. Become a Karnataka PSC officer. So I want everyone to become a KPSC officer, friends. My name is Pratik Kumar and I am teaching live on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to subscribe, friends, you can use my code Pratik Live for 10% discount. Friends, this is your Unacademy. Subscribe now. Thank you. Friends, this is my class timing. Plus classes 8:30 to 9:30 in the morning and 8 to 9 p.m. in the night. YouTube session Monday, Wednesday and Friday 10:30 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday 9:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. Friends, if you want to renew it, so friends, if you have already subscribed and if you want to renew, then get 15% discount if you use the code renew 15, and if you subscribe within 30 days. If you subscribe within 15 days, then use code renew 20 and get 20% discount. So friends, this is all for today. So friends, watch the session. The session are very much useful, friends. So you go through the sessions, average part 1 and average part 2. I have done it with the short tricks. So once it will be streamed, friends, once it will be available to download and watch, friends, you definitely watch, because average I have solved it with lot of tricks. Thank you, friends. Taking off from the session.